Hello everybody, let's begin our today's live stream. Okay, so today didn't have so many important data or news for today, so you can see the whether the index or the SPX they are oscillating a little bit, and didn't give us some like the opportunity to do the buying or selling here. All right, so let's begin our today's analysis. Okay, so firstly, for the goal spot, you can see it's still breaking out once again at this point, right? This point is really important, right? And he got the price squeeze at this page at this point, which is wait a second, which is 9028. Here is where it have the power to push it up. So we're gonna doing the buying at 9028, and our target price will be right into the 9038, which we got a 10 points to make. Okay, we got a 10 points to make, which is good. This point, okay, goes up a little bit. So those two range where it have the strength to push it up and down, and you can see through. Yes, here have the some power to push it down, and which the power going into is right here, and we're just raising our like demand range that we should to doing the bullish buying on just right here on 9028.9. So it's almost 9029. So this is where we're gonna doing the buying. Okay, this is where we're gonna doing the buying at this point. And for the SPX, so it's still oscillating at those two range. We actually don't know about what the strength's gonna be, because we don't know how it react in the Thursday, right? In the Wednesday. So the Wednesday afternoon will be really important. There will be really important data, which is the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, which will determine the direction of the market, whether the SPX and the gold and the other things. So back to the fundamentals. That there is actually a little bit important data for tomorrow is about the euro. All right. So on the Tuesday, you can see the core CPI data right here, year over year. So this is prediction. Okay, this is a prediction that it's 5.3. So you guys need to understand the logical here, and the euro is one of the biggest factor in the most biggest factor in the U.S. index. USD index. So which means if the CPI data is higher than the 5.3%, which means the inflation of European gonna be a lot out of our prediction, right? Out of our expectation. So if the price is like they gonna just raising, they're gonna just raising for raise. If it's raising, then which means they okay, just text about this. Okay, the euro CPI of euro up, then which means the how can I see this? The possibility of raising interest rates of European Central Bank of central bank gonna just raising interest rate decision. So which means the euro gonna just goes up and up too, right? So we have known that the euro have been made a big factor in the USD. So which means the USD gonna just goes down, right? So which means the stock and the gold, they're gonna just up, right? This is the logic here. So if you guys understand this logical, then you can actually operate the trading right here. So we just pay attention to what's happening in tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. These two things, especially at these things, the CPI of year-over-year August. So this is really, really important. So this logic is, so if the CPI of euro just goes up and then the euro just will goes up, so the USD will go down, and the stock market and the gold market, it will just goes up. Okay, so it's like negative concern things, So back to the goal. The goal will just end it as I did right here. If the prices have been made to goes up, right? This is a price squeeze, so which is a good places to doing the buying. So if the prices just going down, we're gonna doing the buying at this point. Once it got into 90.29, okay, 90.29. So you're gonna just make money, and it gonna just go up into 90.38. So maybe they actually can still not hold the power. It will just goes up because this week is very, very important week, and the Wednesday, the Federal Reserve interest rate decision is really, really matters, which we have known that it's 90% possibility they gonna not raising the interest rate decision once again, because because the USA economy cannot take it, So this is why we do this prediction. Understand me? So for you guys knowing, this is good for your trading. So actually the gold and the Bitcoin, they are the same thing to do. So you can see the price squeeze at this point, right? So if for your guys knowing, you can actually doing the buying at this point and waited to make a higher high than before, right? You can see it's oscillating, goes down, yes, and but it have a breakout into another range, another edge of the capital, and then it goes up once again and get into the price squeeze position, right? So this range is not that strong actually, because it's just a simple rush down which come out from this candle, which means it have been made down, it have been over. Okay, it gonna not goes once again. So this is about today's analysis. I hope you guys just okay. I hope you guys just enjoy my live stream here, and we're gonna just live stream at the same time for you guys and give you guys the comment of the trading here. Okay, so you guys.